Hi, I'm Clem. And I'm Polly. And we're going to show you some fish and river-themed activities you can try at home.
Hi.
Our dad is a filmmaker and works with people to make films and animations.
What are you doing?
Filming.
Oh.
We're helping him to do some activities and ideas at home.
Things for you to try.
Yeah. Without too much help from those parents. ... We've been inspired by Unlocking the Seven website. Unlocking the Seven. Providing good places for Twitchad to spawn. Unlocking the river Severn. Unlocking the Severn River.
Thank you.
Providing new places for Twitchad to spawn.
Did you know? The River Severn is the longest river in the UK and is full of loads of amazing, interesting wildlife.
Twitchad look a lot like large herrings. Hundreds and thousands used to migrate up the river to spawn.
But during the Industrial Revolution, people built weirs on the river to help boats navigate. Weirs helped the industry, but they didn't help fish like the Thwaite shad, as they couldn't jump high enough to get over them. Unlocking the Severn are helping the Thwaite shad and other fish by building fish passes at their weir sites. These are a bit like staircases. Everyone has a river near them.
Our river is the River Avon.
If you get a chance, go and look at your local river. Don't fall in. Instead, take your imagination and be creative. There's a fish world you can't see. Get involved by trying out some of these exciting activities at home. Each has an activity document you can download to help you. Remember to pause the videos when you need to catch up and just press play when you're ready to carry on.